Hi everybody, this is Sam with Python Basics, and today's video is a requested video, and I thought it was going to be a really good question. So, what the question is how can we find all the letter combinations for a phone number? So, if you have not ever paid attention on a phone, on the keypad, there are letters on each of the keys, well, excluding 1 and 0, and we'll deal with that. So we could sit here all day and come up with loop after loop after loop after nested loop, or we could use the tools at our disposal. So if you guys remember the series Iter Tools, let's just go ahead and take a peek at this. So help on Iter Tools. So if by chance you are new here, make sure you're hitting that subscribe button and the notification bell, because we have videos coming out all the time. We're getting back onto a schedule. So alright, well, here, how about we first then look at Iter Tools, because again, use the tools you have at your disposal. So we got accumulate, combinations with replacements. We did every single one of these functions. Alright, permutation, let's look at that. So okay, we have range, we got 0, 1, 0, 2, 1, 0, 1, but we don't have 0, 0, 1, 1, or 2, 2. So okay, it's not permutations, not slicing, not group by. Let's look at products. Okay, wait a second. So we have A, B, and range. So it takes in iterables and has a default to repeat of 1. But let's, yeah. So we have an iterable and an iterable. Okay. Leftmost iterator. So these are going to be making a iterator object. So we have to keep that in mind first of all. So let's see how it does with all these combinations. So A and 0, A and 1, A and 2, then it moves to B, B 0. Aha! So we need to look, we're going to be using products. Let's bring this in here. So we're going to be looking at product. Sorry, not products. So let's bring this in just like, do I have this in the middle? Now we do. Okay. So from Iter Tools, import product. All right, bring this in. So now help product. All right. Yep. This is exactly what we're going to use. All right. So now, what does it use? It uses iterables. So we can so it's going to unpack. So it's going to go through and then unpack these for us. So I can just give it an iterable. So now that the reason why I'm making a big deal about that is how we're going to design our problem, because we have control over the how we're going to do this. So let me show you. So we need to make a little bit of an assumption. So right now, if you look on a keypad, on a phone keypad, 1 and 0 do not have any letters associated with it. So 2 has ABC, 3 is DEF, 4 is GHI, 5 is JKL, 6, so on. Aha, so you have 7 is 4 and 9 is 4 as well. Back a long time ago, the way that they did it is, well, I won't bore you with that. So all right, now we need to go into how we're going to do this. And I'm going to show you, you'll see why we're going to use an underscore as our variable for input enter number. So we're going to assume that the user, we're not going to do anything handling errors or not. So we're not going to take in any numbers other than, so the user is going to know that it can't pass in a 0 or a 1. But I want to just show you the reason why you'd want to build a program to do this. So you have a 7-digit number, and let's say the phone number is 2345678. All right. Here. So 2345678. So that's 7 digits. And the number of combinations is 3 times 3 times 3 times 3 times 3 times 4 times 3. And the math on this is because there's 3 combinations here, 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 4 here, and 3 more here. So with this combination, with all these letters, there are 2,916 total combinations for all these variations. This is why you would want to build a program to do this. So all right, now it's literally just 2 lines of code. Well, you'll see what I mean. All right, so this is an iterator, so we're going to want to convert this to a list. Then we've already brought in product. So it's just, oops, and product. Now, all right, so it all depends, again, like I said, how you're doing this. So the reason why I built this way is I left the key as a string, and then my value also as a string, because you'll see, because the argument in our product has to be an iterable. So a string is an iterable. Now, also, as we're going through, we're going to be looking at each key. So, all right, there's that. So keys, then underscore 0, then 1, 2, 3, all right, comma. So I'm just going to copy this, and then we'll look and I'll explain to you what exactly we're doing. All right, so I made a sequence variable right here. So I'm taking my function product, then I'm passing in an iterable, which happens to be a value. And how I'm doing that is I'm slicing my input. So as you can see right here, my phone number that I'm taking in, and I assign that to the underscore variable. The reason, the variable underscore, and the reason why is because when I first built this, I had like phone number or something, and it just became so unreadable. So I wanted you to be able to see all this together. So now, and I am indexing these. So in with, this is 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. There we go. So 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So now let's run this. Enter number 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Aha. So len of sequence. And how many different variations did I say there were? 2,916. So now I've wrapped this into a string. So now let's look at sequence, the first 20. So here we are. Okay, now this is a, right now in tuple form, it's a list in tuple form. But I want the user to be able to look at this a little bit more clearly. So all we have to do is change this a little bit. I don't want to reassign because I want to keep my sequence variable out there. So then I just do a little list comprehension, and I'm going to use my join, and then I for I in sequence. Close that out. Run, save. Can you guys see my down? Okay. And 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And then combo 20. And then you, as you can see, you'll just still look at len dot combo. Same thing, 2,916. So now here is a string, every single one. Now I could sit here and type in combo, but this is just a quick little glance at it. You can export this and look at it, but here, let's look at the first 20 again. But there we go. This is a great exercise, and I think I'm going to show you the under the hood, but before we get to that, I need to show you something, because the under the hood can get a little complicated and blow right past you. But there we go, guys. Make sure you're getting this video thumbs up for me, and like I said before, if you've not hit that subscribe button, do that and check out these videos at the end. And as always, guys, thanks for watching. Stay tuned, and we'll see you next time. Bye, guys. Hey guys, thanks for joining us today. I hope you really enjoyed today's video. And if you haven't, check out this video right here or this one right down here. And most important, make sure you're hitting this subscribe button and the notification bell. Thanks again for joining us, and we hope to see you next time. Bye guys.